So I'm standing here with Rich Baer, and we're at the International Rose Test Garden. And, you know, we always talk about roses with Rich, and this time we are going to talk about a specific rose again, but it is because, Rich, one of the roses, Peace, which you took a picture of many, many decades ago, that has now been chosen to be on US postage stamps. How did that process happen?
Well, I said the acquisitions editor for the USPS was looking for a picture of the Peace Rose, and because I have a friend who they contacted first, referred them to me, and I had the pictures, and so I was more than happy to provide them. I didn't know it was going to be such a public event on my behalf, but I love roses and I love showing the beauty of them, and the Peace Rose has been a favorite of mine. That particular flower bloomed on the very first plant I planted in my garden 40 years ago this month.
Well, and you know, anybody who has any experience of how you've been in this industry and with roses, they know that you have been on the cover of a lot of rose magazines. You've had all kinds of thousands of pictures in magazines and different things like that, postcards. This has got to make you go, wow, it's got to make you feel so good that is going to be bought and used to mail stamps by millions of Americans. That's got to make you feel proud.
Well, I said, in a statement I made originally, I said, if people looking at that stamp, if one or two people decide roses are worthy of growing because of the beauty of them, I will have done what I've been doing with pictures ever since I started, which is promoting people loving the rose.
Well, there you have it. You know, this man has been a part of the Portland Rose Society for a very long time and has been very worthy in that cause of promoting roses. And now you too can buy stamps, promote the rose, and promote Portland. And Rich Baer. Thank you, Rich. What a great job.
Thank you.